All right, we're getting started. Sorry, you're kind of starting to blaze through these things. You can always go back and watch them. You know, that's what we have them here for. So you can always watch these videos. But the next thing we do is do a, am I doing a screen sharing or not? Let's take a look here. There we go. And so we're going to do a quick screen share. So at this point, you should be well underway to getting your credit card processing set up. If you have any issues with that at all, please let us know. We can step in, we can help you. We know the owners and founders of YaPay for sure. So if you're getting set up with YaPay for credit card processing, we can help you with that. You should have your business account set up. You should be working towards getting your printing. If you're going to get anything printed, make sure you're keeping that rolling. If you have any issues with that, make sure that you let us know. We've already talked about module 4. We talked about pitches, marketing system, CRM. Our last video we did on the CRM was the big one. If you're working with these things, let us know if you have any issues or if you need any help or if you want to do a one-on-one. You can always set up a meeting with me to do a one-on-one. We're happy to do that. The next module that we're going to now work on is lead generation, Google Maps, Merchant Circle, Outsourcer. So obviously we need a regular source, and I'm going to just use Kentwood, Michigan as an example. If that's going to be my first community that I'm working on, I want to have all these other things in place, but now I'm going to start doing lead generation. And one of the best places to go is Google Maps. Because all businesses in way, shape, or form are probably registered. They're on Google Maps. There are literally thousands. In every zip code, there are thousands of businesses that are registered because they want to be on Google Maps so people can find them, right? And so we know that they've got a phone. They've got the owner's information. We've got their name. We've got their email, we've got their phone, all of that we can find in Google Maps, and most of that information is pretty accurate. So in our next video, I'm actually going to demonstrate a program called Outscraper, which is super affordable. It's like you can generate thousands of leads for like $3, and I'm going to show you how that works. And then the other programs that we have are Merchant Circle, which is just an online database that you could, if you're telemarketing, it's great for telemarketing. If you're going to do telemarketing or have somebody, but you're going to have your own CRM that you can go right through. You've got their phone number right there. You can telemarket right through that. And then you can put notes in there. So there's some really good stuff that as we go forward and working through these modules, we're going to talk about. So let's see, I'm doing a screen share now. Let me reduce this down and I'm going to show you Merchant Circle. So this is Merchant Circle. You can create your own account in here, but if I'm looking for a business, if I'm looking for carpet cleaning, near Kentwood, Michigan. Carpet cleaning in Grand Rapids. Kentwood is a suburb of Grand Rapids, so they probably just went right to Grand Rapids. But here we go. We got Grand Rapids carpet cleaning, Silver, and here's their phone numbers. And again, this is good for probably just if you want to jump on the phone to start calling businesses in an area and work a category. This is not a bad way to go. You got L&N carpet cleaning. Hey, just call and leave a message. If you want to hire somebody to do telemarketing for you and make 100 calls a day, you could do that. You give any telemarketer a 30% commission and they'll kill for it. So there's some really good things that we can do here. So not a big deal, but look at all the carpet cleaners, and that's just page 1. Here's page 2. So there's going to be some repetition. But again, this is an actual company, OxyFresh Carpet Cleaning. We happen to know they're up and running. They're an actual business in our area. So all legitimate leads. L&N, they've been in business for years. So Diamond Blue Carpet Cleaning, they've been around for a long time. So there you go. So that's just one product, one category. You can go to the main screen here, and you can see they have different categories. You got automotive, home and garden, legal and financial, education, professional services, so there you go. So that's a good program to use that we recommend. And now the next video, I'm actually going to we're going to talk about Outscraper and how to generate leads, because a lot of what I just showed you in Kentwood, if I do carpet cleaners in Kentwood, Michigan, all of those same companies and leads and even owners' names and phone numbers are going to come up. And they're going to come up. And why is that important? It's because then I can upload them as a database into my CRM. Does that make sense? So I can go to Merchant Circle. That's great if I want to just do some quick lead generating, want to get some sales, get some activity going. I'm going to go to Merchant Circle and maybe pay somebody to just go there and do some telemarketing. But for lead generation and working leads, you want to probably go to Outscraper so that you can generate all of this data and upload it. So in my next video, I'm going to actually show you how that works.